At Well Being Chiropractic Clinic in West Hempstead, Nassau County, New York, we offer professional chiropractic services to make our patients comfortable to move and do things they love. We have our own team of chiropractic doctors who are specialized in identifying the root cause of your back pain and providing chiropractic adjustment therapy accordingly. Chiropractic adjustments are spine manipulation treatments which are performed by the trained chiropractors with the use of their hands or small tools to correct the position of misaligned discs. Our trained chiropractors offer multiple solutions for herniated disc, including chiropractic care and physical therapies. Our chiropractors diagnose the main cause of the problem by conducting interviews of the patient, lab tests, and thorough checkups. Taking maximum benefits of any of these programs can help you relieve pain and manage your physical condition. You can heal naturally as it will improve your health by restoring your core physical strength and maintain mobility in joints. Get your lifestyle back, restoring health, stopping pain. For more information, visit our website.